welcome back. So today's video is going to be my empties for the month of June. I have a decent amount of things in here that I want to talk about, some really large items, so let's go ahead and jump in first with the coffee creamers. If you guys notice anything different, I have actually completely reoriented my office. I took out the big desk that was in front of me before, and so now I just have my tall IKEA Alex 9 drawers, and then I have my low IKEA 6 low 6 drawers. So they just look like this, but they're wide and white with the low wheels on there. So that's what's in front of me now. And so I changed the layout. Background looks exactly the same to you because it's just my tan walls, but I do have a painting here I can't wait to hang. Yeah, over here is my nail polish rack. If you guys want to see like an updated beauty tour or collection tour of my makeup or storage or something, I don't know, let me know. But let's go ahead and jump into the empties. Alright, so coffee creamers, for whatever reason I went through 3 this month. Sugar-free caramel macchiato from International Delight. I like it, not my favorite. Sugar-free hazelnut coffee mate. This is my favorite. Sugar-free hazelnut is amazing. I've also really been digging sugar-free Italian, what's it called, sweet cream. And that's like my second favorite right now, but this is pretty good. And then the Coffee Mate sugar-free French vanilla. I like this too, but I already have another bottle of it in the fridge. I've kind of been like giving it a break. We're taking a break, you know, just to like kind of reinvigorate my love for it, because I kind of go in phases with coffee creamer where it's like if I use the same one like 5 days in a row, I'm like, I need a break. I don't know. Do you guys feel me? You know what I'm talking about? I use this mask. This is the I'm Real Honey Mask Sheet Mask in Nourishing by Tony Moly, I believe. Isn't it Tony Moly? Yeah, Tony Moly I'm Real Honey Mask Sheet Nourishing. So this one is just a sheet mask you put over your face. It's nourishing. I don't know if it like really did anything, but I always like doing a little pampering. Makes me feel good. It makes me feel like I'm doing something good for my skin. So like once every week or two, I'll throw on a paper mask. I have several. I know I should be doing them way more than every week or two, but that is how often I'm actually doing them. This is the Mary Kay Indulge Soothing Eye Gel. I really liked this. It was a gel, so it was like super cooling. It says soothing. It was like cold. Like you put it on and you're like, whoa, and you feel like your skin like instantly contracts. But I really liked it. It's just that I forgot to use it. And I remember getting this at a one of those like bridal expos before I was married. I've been married 2.5 years. So I figured this little sample probably needed to go. I also used up this Kula brand mineral sunscreen. It's unscented matte tint natural BB cream, and it's SPF 30. This says expired December 2016. So I used like almost all of this little sample, and then for whatever reason it just sat in my drawer. It's 0.17 fluid ounces or 5 milliliters. So it was small anyway. I don't think I even paid for it, but I do remember liking this. It says it has a tint, and you know, yeah, okay, it's like tannish color. I'm not even gonna like put it on my face, but it says it's a BB cream. I don't know if you can even see it right there, but it really didn't like, it's so thick. It says it's unscented. I don't know about that. Maybe it's just because it's old, so I decided to let it go, and I'm just grabbing a towel here to wipe this off. But it's like mousse-like, which is surprising because most things that are sunscreens like that tend to be more runny or have that like sunscreen scent. This one doesn't. And the ingredients are titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, in case you're wondering, plus a whole bunch of other things, I'm sure. Then, speaking of sunscreen, this is the Kroger brand from a grocery store, Sport Sunscreen SPF 30. It says compare to Copper Tone Sport. And this one is continuous spray, water resistant for 80 minutes, quick and even coverage, no pumping required. I like this stuff. I've used it on myself for years. My husband uses it. Once in a while, we even use it on the baby. She's 1 now, but like when we're out on a walk and I'm like, oh my gosh, her feet are in the sun and we didn't spray her feet or whatever, like I can touch her off with this, and she has really sensitive skin, so that doesn't bother her. Some things do, like shampoos, conditioners. When I've used laundry detergent that wasn't like that gentle, like clear, free, what is it called, free and clear, something gentle wash, then she gets like a reaction. So that doesn't do it for her. I'm also getting rid of this OPI nail lacquer. This one is in the shade I don't even know. It came in a kit. It's not really labeled. It came in like a 5 or 6 pack of these minis, but it's like completely hard. It's like a silvery, sparkly color, completely hard, doesn't move. I can stir it up, nothing happens. It's solid. So time to go. Also used up these Simple Sensitive Skin Experts Cleansing Facial Wipes. No chemicals, blah, blah, blah. I love these. Talk about them every month. Way more affordable to buy in bulk on Amazon. You could buy like a 4-pack for way cheaper than like 2 or 3. I think it's cheaper than 3 packs to get a 4-pack on Amazon. So it's like a 25% discount. I'm also getting rid of this, and it's nowhere near empty. I believe I used it 3 times. Absolutely hate this product. This is a favorites and fails. This is a fail right here. Glazed lip paint. Super intense color, extra glossy finish by LA Girl in the shade Peony. This thing is like neon coral. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. It has like a white base. It makes my lips look like I took... just, guys, it's bad. So I don't like the way it feels. I don't like the way it looks. Had to go. Also, This Works is the name of the brand. Balancing Body Lotion, 2 fluid ounces. I think I got this in a hotel on our honeymoon, and I was cleaning, and I was like, from my makeup room, I was like, oh, I kept this because I thought it was like a really good size for my purse, and I never used it, and our honeymoon was 2 years ago. So I definitely am excited to pass that on to the trash can. I don't like the scent of it, and I don't recall if that was the way it smelled initially or if it's just like modified to that over 2 years' time. Gotta go. Not rich enough either. It's very runny. Again, that could be the years that I've had it, but it just wasn't thick enough for my dry skin on my body. Also, finally used up a Q-Tex Spa Formula Nail Polish Remover. This one is for gel nails, glitter, and hard to remove polishes. 98% acetone. I like this stuff. I don't use this for my fingers. For my fingers, I use one of these little things that has like a foam insert that you like stick your fingers in and then rotate them all around in a circle, and it like rubs it off. This one's by Sephora brand, but you can't buy that anymore, I don't think. But yeah, this I only use like on my toenails, or if I have anything like really stubborn on my fingers, I can try this like on a Q-tip or something. But yeah, I don't need very much of that stuff. I probably use it like once a month, so it took me a long time to go through one bottle. Also this Monistat Complete Care Chafing Relief Powder Gel. I was thinking about throwing this away because it seems like it's like more of a private thing, like chafing and stuff, but I've done a whole video on chafing, and I live in Phoenix where it's super hot. I'm overweight, my thighs rub together, and we go on a lot of walks with our dog, and obviously the baby in the stroller, so I need something that's not going to help like worsen my chafing or make it better. And this stuff works. But the reason I decided to put it in here is, one, it can help you guys if you have a chafing issue. Monistat Complete Care. It's about, I want to say like $7 for this tube. It lasts me 1 or 2 tubes all summer will be all I need. You only need like a tiny bit. Rub it on your thighs or whatever is chafing for you. I use this on vacation. I use this when I'm going to the zoo, if I'm going to be walking a lot, that kind of thing. But this actually is a nice primer. It has, it says it's got non-greasy, fragrance-free, non-irritating, non-staining. It's dimethicone is like the main ingredient, but it's awesome. So I bought a new tube, and I wanted to talk about it because I knew that it was something that people don't talk about on YouTube very much, so thought I would. Also, of course, my Epsom salt, Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt Soaking Solution, Soothe and Sleep with Lavender. I wanted to talk about this because I love Dr. Teal's. I love the lavender one, especially Epsom salt for my baths. But I just wanted to mention that I used up a bunch of bath bombs. I use one like probably 3 a week I go through. But I use the minis or really affordable ones. The best place to buy bath bombs that I have found is on Hotlook. You can actually get like a set of 12 of them for like 20 bucks. And if you wait, you know, you don't have them all the time, but when they have a bath bomb set, I pick up like 1 or 2 or 3 of them because I go through 3 a week. But yeah, so Dr. Teal's, they have bath bombs. They have bath bombs at Target that are like $4, $5, $6, $7, $10 a piece for these bath bombs. I'm like, oh my gosh, who can afford that? If I used one of those every time I took a bath, I'd be broke. So I use the Epsom salt when I don't have a bath bomb that's lavender and I don't really need a bath bomb. And then whenever I am using a bath bomb that has a scent or whatever, I can use my plain Epsom salt. I use the cheaper brand. Doesn't matter. It just feels good on your muscles. And then last but not least, the Clean and Clear Persagel 10 benzoyl peroxide acne medication, 10% maximum strength. This stuff says expiration July 2017. I used this a bunch when I was pregnant because I couldn't use salicylic acid, but then once I was not pregnant anymore and I was allowed to use salicylic acid, you bet I switched it back to salicylic acid. I find that that is more effective for my acne. Don't look at me now, but I have a ton of it. I think that's just like weaning my daughter, getting off the pill, and all that kind of like happening at the same time, so my skin's kind of freaking out hormonally, but this stuff did work, and I stopped using it. I'm dumb. I should have kept using it. But my acne was bad in pregnancy. It's hard to say. I think hormones more than anything make my skin bad. I don't think I naturally have bad skin, acne-wise. I think I just simply have hormonal acne, and when I'm going to have that, I'm going to have it whether I use benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. But when I get it, I want to figure out what it is I can use that instantly drops it, and something like that, a topical treatment, really works for me. Whew, that is it for my empties for the month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you didn't see my haircut story video or my how I style my short hair video, those should be up now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below with your video requests, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.